Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 5 will present the result of an English assignment entitled Material of Sequence, where the member of Group 5 consists of Sevia Otfi, Siti Risma, Sulsiarawati, Syahrul Ramadhani, and Amirul Yusuf. For future, I will give to Sevia Otfi.
Benefit of creating an action plan. Action plans are very useful for communicating strategies and establish a clear direction. They provide visibility of objective and the steps required to make them tangible, concrete. An action plan breaks down the entire vision executable. During this process, executives are able to visualize the strategy into smaller chunks and identify during this planning phase if they are realistic enough or if there exist constraints that can disqualify them before even creating project or initiative. Generally, action plans evolve into plans which will provide detailed description of tasks, resource timelines, and their precondition, and then be monitored during execution. Key elements of an action plan. Action plan can differ in structure depending on the area of application or planning practice. Most of them share the following six main components. One, describe your objective. Start by defining and describing the objective you are trying to achieve. There may be one overarching goal for your strategy, or there might be various. This is an integral part of goals-based strategic planning. Break down the vision into objective and move into the next step. The objective shall be clear and self-explanatory. You can start with a one linear and literal drill down into more detail. 2. Break down tasks and steps. Break down your objective into tasks. Visual the steps that need to be done in order to achieve the goal. Depending on how large the objective is, you may need to break it down into categories or phases before listing the steps needed. Be exhaustive with this list in order to avoid any unforeseen hurdles in the process. 3. Assign people responsible. Spice who or what team will be in charge of performing each of the tasks and steps previously listed. 4. Establish deadlines and milestones. Make sure you specify when each of the previous tasks for establish deadlines and milestones. Make sure you specify when each of the previous tasks shall be complete, taking into account review and reward time. If you've broken down your action plan into phases, then establish the milestones at each phase in your action plan. Make sure to determine precedents and preconditions to identify bottlenecks. 5. Anticipate needed resource. Visual what people and resource you will need to get each of the tasks complete. Reasoning about resource is critical to understand the size and dimension of the endeavor. This step is critical for a reality check. 6. Plan progress metric. No plan is complete until progress and assessment indicator are defined. Individual tasks, milestones, and overall objective will have their own ways to measure progress and completion. establish
How to make sure your action plan is effective. Visualize your action plan. We can stress enough how important it is to have a visual form of your action plan. It will give you an idea of where to go and what your goals is. If you can see it in front of you, it's easier to follow. Triosing action plan PowerPoint templates to make this visualization process either more easier and probably more attractive. Where SMART goal? SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and similar. As long as you set your SMART goals with these key points in consideration, you will be able to reach your objective more effectively. Apart from the SMART goals methods, you can use the OKR framework, objective key results, to add another level of formality to your objective setting process. Finally, every goal solves plus the reality checks reasoning. You can read further how to apply critical thinking goals. Involve the world teams in the planning, making, and actions plan is just the job of managers and executives. The whole team should be on purpose. Everyone needs to know what their specific roles and responsibilities will be. Teams and individuals need to scheme of and exhibit the text entries timeline. If any of the planet's activities is at risk of completion, this should be identified and analyzed as soon as possible. Know gets step in depth. You need to know which texts are more essential than others, which text depends on other being done first, and which are more flexible. This means adding your text into a detailed plan identifies duration, precedence, and resources involved. Break your projects into milestones. Milestones are checkpoints during which management and team review what has been worked on and what is done already. These are like small goals you want to reach on your way to the large objective. It is an essential for parts of monitoring activities. Make sure milestones are clear and associated with a deliverable. Go over the action plans with others. Take this as an opportunity to bring in other people and hear their opinions on the feasibility of your steps, deadlines, roles, and milestones. Make sure your action plan can be easily tracked, is comprehensive, and is accessible to everyone involved, from teams members to stakeholders. Everyone should be able to understand what it is and where you are on the projects. monitoring measures and updates as you go. This makes be the most important step in making sure your action plan is effective. You needs to be constantly following up on the text section in which the players and adjusting when needed. Monitoring should be objective. This means a clear KPI should be used for this purpose. You can stretch with the basics as progress of completion. Over time, but depending on the level of sophistication, you can include more complex copies as budgets run down or risk-related KPIs.
How to present your action plan. Presenting an action plan to an audience is common task in all types of organization. In every and therefore someone needs to approve the initiative, be it to get in funded or to approve the team effort. Also, people need to be notified about the action plan in order to understand its scope and how they are involved or if any of the planned tasks will affect in any way. There is a difference between the step involved in reaching an action plan as described above and the required steps to present the action plan. Mainly because the purpose are different, the creation of an action plan is a planning activity. In this case, the people involved are picturing objective and how they materialize through action. On the other hand, presenting an action plan is a communication activity. The presenter needs to clearly transmit the objective of the action plan, list the high level tasks involved and be able to communicate which were the evaluated during the planning process. The decision made to reach the plan are also important as they distill the reasoning behind the plan. As general guidance, we suggest following presentation-based practice. Check our guide on how to make a presentation and how to start a presentation. In the next section, we break down the suggestion in there, based on the objective of the presentation, persuade, inform, monitor, and control. Present your action plan to persuade. If you want to persuade and educate audience to approve your action plan, there are 3 items you will need to highlight. Benefit. Achieving the action plan objective need to provide and benefit to the audience. Make sure your message is clear, like how the object solve an existing problem or obtain or how they materialize item of the organization strategy. Implementation of the vision. After you present the benefit, you need to communicate how it was planned to achieve them. Ideally, a high-level route map should be present. in order to allow the audience to divide the solution in small pieces and picture the sequence of events.
Return of investment. The action plan has costs and recourse associated. Instead of deliberately explaining the cost of execution, adapt the message, monetizing the benefits and contrasting them against the cost. This should be a positive characteristic of increase over the investment. So how this return is evaluated and which time frame covers it. Finally, contrast the return against the opinion of not doing this. Greenly settles the idea in the audits and triggers actants subconsciously resulting in gradually conceived more as an art rather than skins, but skins has progressed a lot in this field, and three are server framework and things you can apply. Check out our guide on how to deliver a persuasive speech or on of our corporate framework, the rhetorical triangle speech, or on of our corporate framework, the rhetorical triangle. Present your action plan to inform. Presenting an action plan to inform is a common text in organization, be it before or after approval, informing the stakeholder about the action plan will align expression and will help gaining traction within the involved teams or individuals. The action plan presentation will need to focus on two areas: purpose and activities. Next. Purpose to resonate with the audience in is it is essential to inform how the action plan will help achieve goals that have a purpose. The message should be crafted in a way that connect with the audience and triggers interest. Empathy in is crucial. Fulfilling a purpose is always more powerful as a goal rather that other concepts such as making more money. To achieve this, connect the goals and tasks with the strategic vision they are trying to materialize. As an example, you can think of an organization that sells auto parts. One of the action plan object is to produce cheaper parts without compromising quality. The present can inform the audience about this object with an useful purpose like investing more in recruiting ammunition, which is a concept extract from the strategy. Activities execution on any plan is crucial before the end. Before start, it is necessary to inform everyone involved about their responsibility in the plan with which resource they will count on, the expensive timeline, and the relationship between tax and resource. Next, every activity should answer one of the following questions. 1. Why is the activity part of the plan? 2. Where should the activity happen? 3. Who, team or individual, is responsible for carrying out the activity and knowing about it? 4. What records are planned to consume during the activity? 5. When should the activity start and end? 6. How will the activity be carried out?
Present work plan for monitoring and control. Plan are created to follow and evaluate when the action plan is converted into project or program. Execution store and the management practice too. Management will define regular checkpoint for evaluating the current progress of the activities, resource conference, and active goal. The monitoring and control presentation, the presenter shall communicate simple concept, current status versus previous status versus managed status at this point. In this way, the audience will be able to understand will to take our into present time, which was the evolution compared to the previous meeting, and which is the definition compared to the planet's status at this point. After this presentation, now set up activities will be finished according to definition and achievement, and the plan will be updated for future evolutions. The action plan template. What are your theoretical legs into practice and start developing your own action plan with our free template? Thanks to our action plan template, you will be able to develop is of the objective of your project and break down each of its steps, assigning responsibilities, declinations, and priorities. This template will allow you to organize your teamwork and optimize time and effort. Remember, action plans are not set in stone. Action plans are supposed to help with a strategic vision implementation for the beginning, as well as monitor program the whole. Sticking to the plan is the ideal fit, but not the online, but not the online engine as the initiative taken on this weekend. Your friend said you had the active water issue that keep people from differing and your health and many other barriers to success. Hopefully, that's solid for you. Use your action plan as great, but be careful to follow the problem. So, and do it what is that to get your project done. If you get it done on the deadline you established in the beginning, then give yourself guilty on the back. And if you don't, you can resolve your have gathered many valuable things for the next time you start new project and get brand new action plan.
Thank you very much for your great attention, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your listening. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of you. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.